I brought some idioms today, so I want to discuss with you.
Oh, wow,
Uh,
wow. I love it.
the first one is a blessing in
Okay,
disguise. A blessing in
okay,
disguise.
blessing.
That
Okay,
means something that initially appears to be bad or unlucky but ends up being beneficial. Means
okay.
यस जब हम कहते हैं कि कुछ यदि कुछ होता है तो उसके पीछे कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा होता है
Yes, yes, yes,
या वी से दैट ईश्वर जो करता है उस उसमें कुछ अच्छा ही होता है तो दैट
yes.
टाइम वी कैन यूज अ ब्लेसिंग इन disguise. Okay,
Okay,
so I left my job, so it
okay.
will prove me a blessing in disguise that I will become a YouTuber, successful YouTuber.
Oh, that's good.
मीन्स
Yes,
अगर
the
मैंने जॉब
similar.
छोड़ दिया
Yes,
या
yes, yes. The similar the idiom I have like every cloud has a silver line.
that is the similar of this. Yeah,
Yes,
both of these are similar.
yes.
Okay, and the second is a dime a dozen. Dime a dozen, we
Okay,
say in Hindi कौड़ियों के भाव. कौड़ियों के भाव.
okay, okay. Dime a
Yeah,
dozen. Okay.
dime a dozen. So we can say institute are available a dime a dozen these days.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
there are many
yes, yes.
institutes are visible in dime a dozen. कौड़ियों के भाव चल रहे हैं because there are so many
Yes,
institute and nobody is going to learn English on the institute, so that's why we
yes.
can say that yeah, there are
Dime,
many institute
dime,
like dime a dozen. A
dime
dime
a dozen.
a dozen.
A dozen.
Third one is action speak louder than words.
Yes,
Action speaks louder than words means whatever we do is reflect our personality. It doesn't
yes,
matter what we say. Means I promised you that I will help you, but when it comes to help you, so I go back to my promise. I don't full my promise. I don't make my promise. So that time we can say action speak louder than words. You have given me promised, but you did not come to help me.
complete. Yes, yes,
Yeah, मीन्स
oh,
काम बोलता है. काम बोलता
yes,
है. बोलने की
okay,
जरूरत नहीं है, आपके काम से पता चलता है कि what type
yes,
person are you.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, and you must know about that. It's a very common all ears.
All years,
All
yes,
ears. Yeah,
yes, yes. All years.
excited to listen and listening very attentively. So
Yes,
let's explain whatever you want to explain. I'm all ears. I'm all ears.
yes, 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 yes. Absolutely right.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
and like interested
these
to hear.
are some,
Yes, interested to
yeah,
listen.
interesting. Yeah, interested to listen and paying attention towards listening. So this time we can say I'm all ears. Yeah, I'm
Oh,
excited to listen.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
easy as pie. Easy as pie means
Okay,
very easy. Just like
okay.
a piece of cake. Easy as pie.
Yes,
We can compare
easy
with
as
piece
pie.
of cake. पीस ऑफ केक या
Okay,
ये मेरे बाएं हाथ का
okay,
खेल है. सो
okay.
वी कैन से दैट स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश इज इजी एज पाई. Speaking English
Okay,
is
that's
easy
good.
as pie means yeah, pie is very easy, something which is very easy to do,
Yes,
so we can say that it
yes,
is very easy.
easy.
Yeah, dancing is easy as pie.
Okay, and one more similar idiom I remember that it's easy as ABC. It's easy as ABC, like
Okay.
that. Yes. And today I have prepared some advanced structure, so I will
Okay.
share with you. Okay.
O-
So are you ready
okay.
for that?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So here's my sentence that even we are saying that जब बात आती है, जब बात इस चीज की
Yeah.
आती है, when it comes to speaking, I start hesitate. हेजिटेट। तो जब बात बोलने की
Yeah.
आती है तब मैं हेजिटेट करती हूँ। तो व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्पीकिंग आई स्टार्ट हेजिटेट। And when it comes to cooking, when it comes to cooking, no one cook like you. So you
Yes.
can give any complaint if you appreciate
Compliment.
someone. So yes, it's a compliment. And third one is when it comes to sport, I enjoy watching football the most.
Yeah.
Okay, it's my first
Okay.
advanced structure, and second is it's not advanced structure. It is like when we are using halanki. So though, although, and however, I'm going to use all three with the same sentence like
Okay.
alternatively. Although this day I'm so busy, though I these days I'm so busy. However, this day I'm so busy. Is it correct?
Yeah. 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 These are correct.
Okay, now come to the
Very good.
again like it's a मैं दिन भर व्यस्त रहती हूँ या रहता हूँ. We can use we can convert into in English four way. मैं दिन
Okay.
भर व्यस्त रहता हूँ. I stay busy with work all day long. I
Hmm.
stay occupied with work throughout the day.
Throughout the
I
day.
keep myself busy with work all day.
All day.
I remain engaged in work most of the time or most of the day.
Day. Yes.
Yes. And
Yeah. These are
last,
very useful.
yes. So you can alter this sentence like every time you can't say this,
Same
I'm busy
sentences.
all day.
Yeah.
So exchange this
Yeah.
whenever you are using this. So last, let alone.
Yeah.
Let alone, वो तो like let alone speaking in public, I get nervous even talking in a front of small group.
Okay.
बहुत सारे पब्लिक में बात करना तो दूर, मैं तो छोटे से ग्रुप में भी बात करने के लिए नर्वस हो जाती हूँ.
Yeah.
सो
Let alone.
let alone let alone driving a car. I don't even know how to ride a bicycle.
Cycle.
कार
Yeah.
चलाने की बात तो दूर की है, मुझे तो
Door.
साइकिल चलाने नहीं आती. तो लाइक व्हेन
Yeah.
वी आर सेइंग दैट वो तो दूर की बात है, तो वी कैन यूज लेट अलोन. Let
Yeah.
alone visiting all over. I don't even go to park like
Yeah.
this. And last, let alone making mistake. He doesn't know even know how to write. So this
Yes.
is my last. And now it's end. You tell me how you feel. What's your
Okay.
opinion about all these structures?
Yeah, these are very useful structures brought today. So every day we use these type of word, but these are alternative words for that.
Yes.
We always say that I'm busy. I was busy all throughout the day. So we can alter the our sentences with that words, that phrases. So these are very useful. And we also speak that इंग्लिश बोलने तो दूर की बात, इंग्लिश पढ़ना भी नहीं आता मुझे. So let
Yes.
alone speaking English, I don't know how to read it.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes, yes, and when we are using this though, although, however,
Yeah.
many people get confused that these are different or where should I use. So make one sentence and alter this many time. Like when you are using although, make a sentence and the same sentence use with though and the same sentence with however. So you will get
Yeah.
used to it.
Halfway.
Yes.
Yeah. Thrice of these meaning is हालांकि.
Halanki. Yes,
हालांकि.
halanki.
Yeah.
Yes.
हालांकि मैं
But
सारा
we
दिन बिजी
confused
रहती
many
हूँ.
times. Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Uh, though I always busy, but I still
yes,
take hardly take some time to practice.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So,
However,
yes,
I am busy with my kids. So that uh, still I do my practice continuously.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
And with a
So
when it comes to
yeah, when it comes to speak English, so I forgot all the things.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay.
Okay. So I also words idioms are also the words that are very simple, and if we use them, so we can make our English effective, and we can impress the person who is in front of us, and lots of things we can say in particular word.
Yes, a long sentence instead of long sentence, we can use a
Use a
phrases and a
small.
idiom. So it is a very short and it's a very interesting way of
Yeah,
speaking. So it is
interesting. Yeah,
like very interesting. Whenever if someone tell that, hey, don't worry, English is easy as pie. So that time you are looking
yeah,
like you are speaking like a professional.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's
Professional.
very good. Yes,
Very good. Very impressive.
yes.
Yes.